Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to put moisture protection on concrete subfloor. So here was really bad situation, moisture was high, we checked with Tramex, it was 5.5, almost 6%. Under the tile was water, and we remove all tiles, we remove this black bitumen and glue what previous installers put for moisture protection. It took 2 days with 2 grinders, you know, we just grind out everything, put the self-leveling compound, and owner order cork flooring. But oh, look at this, it's water here there. But we can't install with this high moisture cork flooring because it can be, you know, damaged. So, and we change plan to install vinyl planks. And for moisture protection, first time I used Bona 540. I'm really excited how this material easy to use, and how it's, you know, protect very well, and I highly recommend it. At the end of the video you will see how it looks like a new floor. In this video I want to show you how to put moisture protection on this concrete subfloor. Here is 500 square feet. I want to install this vinyl plank, and so first of all, we have some issue because floor is high moisture. It's if you use the Tramex, it's approximately 5 or a little below 5%. So we want to apply to this room Bona 540. It's special moisture protection stuff. I want to show you what is it. Right here I want to do 2 coats with different direction. So, and in a few minutes we want to start applying this material. So we have 2 rollers, 2 guys. We just need to add this material as it is and keep going. Okay. Any smell? I guess no. Very interesting. Look at this. Hello. Oh! What's happening? It's going good. So here it is. It's getting dry. It takes 3 hours. So here is after 2 hours. Floor is dry, it's not sticky, nice. So, and I'm going to put another coat. Okay, so I hope it protects 100% from any water or any moisture. So I already put one coat for 500 square feet. It's exactly half of a bucket, so another coat gonna be the same, maybe a little less. So very comfortable. Just 2 coats for 500 square feet, or 1 coat for 1000. Okay, go here. Nothing trouble. Just I'm so happy. I found right material, you know, and I don't have to spend a lot of money to find out how to protect, because moisture here is too high and no any choice to install material like hardwood or cork flooring what customer wants. And I suggest to change to vinyl flooring and put this membrane, because when we took whole floor off, whole floor laminate floor, under laminate floor was vinyl floor, and there is what was wet. And then just start looking for from where it leaks, maybe some pipes, or maybe from washroom, maybe dishwasher or washer and dryer. No, just water is condensing under the vinyl flooring. So now, after this coating, it's going to be high protection. It looks like glass. No, not glass. Polymembrane. So very interesting. When it's dry, I can put over directly self-leveling compound. It's really good. So not expensive and really good. Here it is, just finished second application, so it's getting dry in 2 hours, and tomorrow morning I will start installation this floating floor. And you can see just vinyl planks with underlay together, easy to click.